If your reports and dashboards in Sage Intacct can include a budget, it includes budget information, and it'll help you monitor your business's progress over the course of a year and compare your actual results to your forecasted results. So that's, the main reason that you want the budgets in the system in the first place is your reporting and what you're looking at there. Okay, so you're able to use budget reports to present budget information in different ways and timeframes to enhance insight into how your money is budgeted or forecast for future budgets to make them as accurate as you possibly can. So although there's no sort of standard budget reports in the general ledger, there are several common financial reports that you can create for budget analysis. So this screenshot here shows a profit and loss detail. So we've got an actuals column here with the blue writing. We've then got our budget column, which is an import from one of our budgets. Because we have our budget intact, we are able to add then extra columns for the difference between the budget and the actual and the variance. So I've got a difference column here, which is just quite literally taking one away from the other for my actuals and my budget. And then I've also added a variance column, which is showing in a percentage figure wise how much of my budget is either spent or how much of my budget remains, however you want to set that up. So yeah, we're able to sort of use the budget to then add more detail, more information. You may also notice that the creator of this report has added some conditional highlighting to show when the budgets have been exceeded. So actually Intacct is a very clever system in the sense that it is clever enough to determine if you've gone over your budget as an expenditure, it is a bad thing, and going over your budget and revenue would actually be a good thing. So you can set up the conditional formatting to kind of show, red for bad or green for good, and sort of highlight there any differences in variance if you wanted to. So you've got a sort of more visual report to share with shareholders.